tomorrow, Halloween, so it's time to pump up your pumpkin. Here to show us how to do it, please welcome the executive editor of Good Housekeeping magazine, Megan Murphy, back to the show.
Very cute, very cute.
Okay,
Let's
so
jump
here
into
are
it.
some last-minute ideas that you can pull off tonight. This is my sparkle squad.
So pretty.
Right? Plain old pumpkins.
Already all
Make sure
over
they're
it.
clean and
Already all
dry.
over
And
me.
then you can just use stickers, or you can get the hot glue gun. Oh, okay. So
Thank you.
yes, but the sparkle stem is like the magic here. So what you do is you put a little glue on the stem, cover it in glitter. The herpes of the craft world.
That's correct.
But then you can use this.
That's the remedy.
A lint roller to get it off.
Apparently, this takes care of herpes.
Well,
I don't think so.
Okay, so white pumpkins.
Consult your doctor on that, please.
Right? White pumpkins are also a massive trend. They have the fairy pumpkins that
Did they come as white?
You can get fairy pumpkins that are white. I love funkins, fake pumpkins. I call them funkins
That's
because
what
you
that
can
is.
use them year after year. So you can put stickers on them. Hi, boo.
Hey, boo.
I used a little bit of ribbon. I just pinned it around like
great.
a belt with
Cute.
a little bit of pearl pins.
Looks
These are
so
just strips of ribbon, a lace applique, and these are kind of thing you can use year after year.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Fun.
Spray paint! Yay!
fun.
Okay, so I put stickers on these, little star stickers and a decal I made. You
Oh,
stick
and
the
then you
stickers on the
spray the whole
pumpkin,
thing.
then you spray paint the heck out of it. Do you guys want to do some peeling?
Yeah, of
It's like
course.
popping a pimple. Go.
Yeah, it sure is.
Oh. There's a YouTube
Look at
channel
that.
for this, too.
Ooh, You
Yeah.
got to be a little gentle, but look how magical. Woo!
That's fun. And nothing's going rotten because you're not opening it up. All right.
No. So then I got a little crazy here with the black paint and then spray painted some leaves gold.
Cool.
Glued them down. I did a little decoupage. You can trace leaves onto, what do you call this, tissue paper.
Yeah.
And then glue them on. Decoupage.
And this is good, like you can save that for
Well, that's the
Thanksgiving.
thing. Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
I did a couple butterflies. These, I just pinned on. Again, all of these can take you through Thanksgiving.
Ryan, you're going to be doing this for Thanksgiving, aren't you?
I'm going to be doing this for the whole
That's
season.
so pretty. Now, if you do want to get a little messy, can I dim the lights? Because I want some
Yeah.
oohs and ahs.
Dim the lights, and here we go.
Ready? Darker, darker. Yeah.
Now that's great. So that's just sticking the drill bit in there. Oh my
So I
gosh,
use
so
the
much easier
drill.
than me carving it.
No, you still have to empty out the pumpkin.
Okay, so if anyone-
You still have to get the
If you
goop out?
are carving a pumpkin tonight, I want to give you my top tip.
Yes.
Instead of cutting the top off, which is
Mine's
then it
never
never
a
fits
circle.
on perfectly.
It's never a circle.
No, but like this.
Yeah, the bottom. Yes.
Cut out the
And if I may give you some other advice, don't cut out the back like I did, because then you got to figure out a way to get that sucker to stick on the back.
Yes.
And
So
that's,
put your light right inside it. If you guys want to drill, you just do your design and then you can drill. Do you want safety goggles? Safety
No,
goggles?
no, no. I'm safe as it is. Hey, this is great. Beautiful.
Pumpkin as a base.
That's pretty.
Pumpkin as a base.
All right,
I love
friends.
that.
Da-da-da.
Get a copy of Good Housekeeping magazine for ideas and inspiration this holiday season. We'll be right back. Megan, great job.